Hello friends, my Culinary Expressions brings to you its joyous expression of Valentine's Day celebrations with these eggless chocolate muffins. These muffins are soft and moist. They can be baked easily with basic ingredients at home. They are ideal for treats and tea parties. Friends, my culinary expressions not only demonstrates the method but also gives tips wherever possible so that you can maneuver your expression in your style. So those of you who are visiting this channel for the first time, click on the subscription button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of these expressions. Now here's a shout out to all my dear friends whose likes and thumbs up give wings to my passion, so please continue doing so. If you would like to share your feedback or have any questions about any video recipes, do not hesitate to ask in the comments box below that particular video. I'll be extremely delighted to answer. Now, coming back to today's expression, the method for the eggless chocolate muffins is somewhat similar to the rustic chocolate cake video that is already been uploaded on this channel. You can refer to the link in the description box. However, let's get started with the run through of a few of those similar steps used here in making the eggless chocolate muffins. So here we go. Here's a list of the ingredients. 150 gram refined flour, you could take even whole wheat flour. 150 gram brown sugar or refined sugar, it has to be powder form. 1/4 cup or 60 ml milk at room temperature. 1/4 cup or 60 ml thick yogurt at room temperature. 1/3 cup oil. Half cup of hot coffee. We'll prepare this by mixing half teaspoon of coffee with half cup of hot water. Then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Before we proceed to mix the ingredients, we must preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line the muffin tray with muffin liners and grease them. In a mixing bowl, take refined flour. Then we'll sieve together flour, salt, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Sifting the flour makes it easier to mix with the other ingredients and also gives a good texture to the cake or muffin. We'll sieve them properly. Now we will mix the powdered sugar. Here I have taken brown sugar. You could also use the refined sugar. Give it a nice mix. To this dry mixture, now we will add the wet ingredients. Firstly, we'll start with the hot coffee. Followed by oil. Milk. All this should be at room temperature. And the hung curd. Now we will gently mix and fold in these ingredients together to form a uniform mixture. We can use an electric beater on low speed, or we could use a spatula to fold in the ingredients. Take care not to over mix it. Now we have got a smooth batter. All the ingredients are well mixed. Add the vanilla essence and gently mix. Now pour the cake batter into muffin liners. Fill them to 3/4 of the way full. I got 12 muffins with this batter. You can top with chopped nuts or choco chips or walnuts, anything of your choice. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. Check the doneness with a toothpick. Once the muffins are out from the oven, cool them on a wire rack and enjoy them with your friends and family. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this expression. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Very soon I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.